How to keep footnotes on same page in Word. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can keep footnotes on same page in Word. So let's get started. First of all, you gotta open any of the Word document and then you gotta go to the References tab and then you gotta click on this tiny arrow over here. So once you do click on that, you'll be able to see a dialog box appear. So in many versions of Word, you'll be able to see an advanced option. You're going to click on that advanced option and simply uncheck the option of allow footnotes to split across pages. But if your Word version is similar to mine, you wouldn't be able to see the advanced option. To fix that, what you're going to do is simply select the specific section. For example, I'm going to select this section that has the issue, and then you're going to go to Home. And over here in the paragraph section, you're going to click on this tiny arrow, and then you're going to go to the section of line and page breaks. You're going to check this box that says Keep with Next, and also if you want to keep the lines together, and then click on OK. And you're good to go. So that was basically how you can keep footnotes on same page in Word. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.